Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we are going to be cleaning my DIY area, office area, eBay area. It's a little messy. I just finished up a week's worth of doing some DIYs for some videos on my main channel. And also early in the week we had a toilet overflow upstairs. It came down in my eBay area, so I had to quickly move everything. So it's scattered. You'll see. We're going to work on these three areas, but I'm only allowing myself 1 hour to do it because I know me. If I allow myself 2-3 hours, it'll take me 2 or 3 hours. But if I set a timer and I say, Sherry, you got 1 hour to get this done. You know what? Sherry gets it done. So we got 1 hour on the clock. Let's do this. Hey Siri.
I'm listening.
Set a timer for 1 hour.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 hour.
As I mentioned, there was an overflow upstairs in the guest bathroom. It came downstairs into my little eBay area where I package everything. So I had to quickly move everything over to my little DIY area. And I was also doing DIYs, so there was a huge mess. Just put it that way. There was a huge mess I needed to clean up, and it kind of spilled over into my little office area. But remember, we're going to get all this done in 1 hour. I'm starting in my little DIY studio area where I create my videos for my main channel. I'm just going to try to put everything away that I can, kind of say, okay, is this trash? Is this something I need to keep? Because during these DIYs, sometimes I have leftover stuff that really can't do anything with, so I just kind of toss it. And the rest I kind of store away for future DIYs.
Never meant to love no one.
One of the DIYs I was doing included some styrofoam and a little bit of moss. It was all over my little DIY table, and I really didn't want to take a vacuum to all of that, so I'm just trying to get up what I can. And then I'm going to use a lint roller to get up all the little pieces, and then I'll go in with my Dyson to pick up the rest.
Compare thee when no one ever could come close. Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do.
Once I had all the little pieces of styrofoam and moss off, I'm just going to take off the little cover that I have. I will throw it in the washer, and then I'm going to give the table a good wipe down. And now I'm going through all of my little eBay stuff. I have all of my packing materials. I have just whatever I threw over there. So now I'm just going through everything, putting them all in different categories so I can put them away.
I know this too got your smile going on repeat. You're the star of my movie, but now it's done, still stuck in my seat. Ain't getting off easy, like I'm doing time yet without parole. Got me flirting with disaster, but I'm all in, gotta go for gold. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out in my...
And now I'm just moving everything to my little eBay area. Like I said, I have all my little packing items. I had to throw them wherever so they wouldn't get wet. So now I'm just going to put them in little containers and bins that I have and put them over at my little eBay station.
I said nothing comes close to you. In a million days and in a million ways, I know this to be true, that nothing, no, nothing. I said nothing comes close to you.
Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me.
I know a lot of people don't sweep before they vacuum, but these jute rugs get so dirty. I really don't want to get too much crap in my vacuum because these Dysons are not cheap. So I do like to sweep before I vacuum. I know that's like washing your dishes before you put them in the dishwasher, which I'm guilty of also, but to me, it's keeping my Dyson working a lot longer by just not letting so much get clogged up in it. And that's why I like to sweep, especially these jute rugs, before I get out the Dyson.
That guy trying to live through life, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. Now I gotta keep it.
There are times when my desk becomes a catch-all. I cannot stand it. I have to clean my desk off at least once a week, especially with it being glass. It gets so many fingerprints on it. I love it, but just be aware if you ever get a glass desk or table, you're going to have fingerprints that you are constantly wiping off. And in case you did not know, I do have a main channel where I do nothing but DIYs, thrift flips, and thrifting videos. If you're interested in checking it out, I will leave it linked in the description box. Now I'm finally moving over to my eBay area. I'm going to be sweeping and Swiffering that area and getting everything nice and organized. Like I said, we had to move everything very quickly. So now I'm just trying to get everything back in place, smelling good and looking good. All right, my hour is up. Everything is looking good. It smells so good. I love these Swiffer wet pads. Oh, it is amazing. If I could bottle it as a perfume, I'd probably wear it. Well, maybe not. But look, everything looks spotless. I'm washing my cloth that goes on my little DIY table. Still need to put up my vacuum, but everything else looks so fantastic. I've got my oil diffuser going. Desk is clean. My eBay area looks really good where I pack up all my orders. Over here, I am going to be creating a little coffee tea station. So be on the lookout for that because that will be coming up maybe in the next 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I don't know, but turn your notifications on and you will know exactly when I upload. Thank you so much for joining me for another Clean With Me video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you join this very organized, decluttered, clean, and beautiful community. And if you have not hit that notification bell, I would encourage you to so you know when I upload my next video. All right, guys, until the next one, bye.